Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 10th of February. And first of all, national news. Anti-cheating bill passed in parliament. Congress welcomed Bharat Ratna to Narasimha Rao, snaked in a dig at BJP. Narasimha Rao was the first person from South India to become Prime Minister. A fitting tribute, ex WHO chief scientist on Bharat Ratna to Father M.S. Swaminathan. Delhi Metro ordered inspections on Pink Line Day after wall collapse. Provident Fund body restricted Paytm payments bank transactions from February 23. Mallikarjun Kharge said Congress welcome three Bharat Ratnas announced today. India has nearly 97 crore voters now, poll body said. Now, some international news. Hung verdict likely in Pak as Nawaz Sharif claimed win without majority. Netanyahu ordered army to draw up plan to evacuate civilians from Rafah. Tourism is the third largest source of foreign currency in the impoverished Southern African nation. Amazon steered consumers to higher priced items, US in lawsuit. Russians entered North Korea in first foreign tour group since COVID. Prince Harry accepted substantial damages to settle mirror hacking case. Arab ministers discussed Israel Hamas war after Blinken's Middle East visit. Joe Biden nominated Indian origin judge to US court for New York. Philippines, US conduct joint maritime exercises in South China Sea. And now some sports news. India women's hockey team faced United States in FIH Pro League 2023-24. Boxing. Nikat Zareen and Arundhati Chaudhary stormed into semi-finals of Strenza Memorial Tournament in Bulgaria. Mission Olympic Cell approved judokas and a shooter for global competitions. BIMSTEC Aquatic Championship, India leading the tally with 36 medals including 13 gold. Sasikumar Mukund advanced to singles quarter-finals in Chennai Open ATP Challenger. Now business related news. Days after RBI action, Paytm to form advisory panel on compliance regulatory matters. EPFO to stop claims made through Paytm Payments Bank. Indian Oil Adani Gas JV to invest $300 million to double gas sales. Paytm e-commerce changes its name to Pi Platforms. Centre reduced wheat stock limit to curb hoarding ahead of Lok Sabha polls. India likely to begin LNG supplies to Sri Lanka by end of next year. And RBI targets inflation at 4% for sustainable economic growth. And that's all in news. Thank you.